What is the measure of angle ZFY? The first thing we want to do is identify angle ZFY. Angles can be named by 3 points. This one is named ZFY, and that means this is the angle we're interested in. We want to measure this space. To do that, we'll have to remember some rules about intersecting lines. One of the rules we'll need to remember is that when two lines intersect, opposite angles have the same measure. And we call those opposite congruent angles vertical angles. Here's an example. Angle ACB is an opposite angle to angle FCX. So angle FCX is equal, it has the same measure as angle ACB. These two angles are vertical angles. We can label angle XCF as 32 degrees. Another rule that can help us here is the fact that the sum of the interior angles in a triangle measure 180 degrees. Inside this figure, we have a triangle, CFX. And if we add up all the angles inside this triangle, they will equal 180 degrees. We have 32 degrees. This symbol represents a right angle, and right angles measure 90 degrees, plus our unknown measure of angle XFC is equal to 180 degrees. We can add our first two angles together, 32 plus 90 equals 122 degrees. 122 degrees plus our missing angle has to equal 180 degrees. If we take 180 degrees and subtract the 122 degrees, we come up with 58 degrees. Angle XFC has a measure of 58 degrees. But we are still looking for the measure of angle ZFY, here in pink. To find that, we'll go back to the first rule we started with. We need to go back to what we know about vertical angles. When two lines intersect, opposite angles have the same measure. Our unknown angle, ZFY, is a vertical angle of XFC. Angle ZFY must be equal to a measure of 58 degrees. Angle ZFY equals 58 degrees.